Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent these LED rope lights. These things are super cool. They've got several different lengths available. I've got the 16.4 foot one that was sent to me, but this is so neat because the lights aren't like those little dotted lights. This is one steady light all the way through here, and you can expand onto it. So this has 29 different modes. It comes with different installation brackets that you can then put the lights inside the bracket and then screw it up onto the wall if you want to put it up there. But this could really go anywhere, and it has a remote. But if you lost your remote, you can actually download the app and do everything from your phone. So that is awesome. So before we go put them up, I just wanted to show you a closer look at them. It's got your remote here. You can have it jump to different patterns that it goes through. You can change the brightness. This down here is for your music control, so it'll actually move around with the beat of your music. It has a little built-in microphone on here, so that way I can hear it on here. And this rope, if you didn't want to just hang it up, you wanted to make an actual design, this is a flexible rope. So you can make that design that you want to have on there. So here is the thickness of the rope here. As you can see, you can move it however you want to do it. So if you wanted to make a letter, if you wanted to make a design on the wall, make circles, however you wanted to do it, this will flex around with you. All right, so actually these lights can go up around the door. This fits perfectly on here. And as you can see, I have this set up to go with the music, and the lights are moving with my voice. So that is super cool. And you can change that just by pushing the button on here, and then it'll change it to a different color as it's moving around. So within my voice, talks around. Then you can also set it on timer. So if you just wanted to go for a little while on that timer, you can then have a 1 hour, a 2 hour, 3 hour, or 4 hour timer. And then you can also change the brightness of it as well. You can have it at whatever color you want to put it on and just change your colors within the spectrums. They have your different color spectrums at the top. So you can just have it all sorts of different things. And then you can also turn it off, of course. You just want your standard colors, but it's all on this nice remote. And I just put them up over the door, and I think that looks really cool. I'll turn the light off so you can see a little better. So I love how you cannot see all of the little dots in between the lights. And it's just a nice glow for all of the different colors. And it's super simple to change. And you can add it to whatever theme you want to do. And however you want to talk, it'll go with your party.